Today I'm taking a look at the TOPDON ArtiDiag 600Pro. So it does come with a bag. That's a nice cushion bag as well. And there is the scanner. So do actually have physical buttons on here. They actually feel fairly nice. They're rubber textured. The side is plastic, but it does feel like a fairly soft plastic. Nothing on the bottom, nothing on the left side. On the right side, we have input output, and there's a USB-C port in there. On the top, we got a connection for our OBD2 port, and we got our power button. So here is our OBD2 cable. And we got our charging cables. That is USB-A to USB-C. And it does appear to come with a basic instruction manual. So I'm going to start out by charging it. It is always a good idea to charge these guys up when you first get them. And that does actually come with a 90% charge. So if we wanted to, we could start using that right away. So it does appear to have a pretty nice display on it. And this can connect directly to Wi-Fi. And it tells us right away that there is a system update. So we will go ahead and update that. That's one of the nice things about having a tool like this that can actually connect directly to the Wi-Fi. Before you would have to go download it on a computer. But this, as long as you got Wi-Fi, you can do everything directly from the tool. Okay, so it updated. It appears that there is another update, so we'll go ahead and get that one as well. So it appears we will need to make an account. So now we are looking at the home screen. So you got Diagnostic, OBD2, IM readiness, so this is going to check to make sure that you can actually pass smog. But it looks like we do have more updates available. So it looks like we do actually have a bunch of different updates for the different vehicles. That's important because as new cars keep on coming out, the software is going to need to be updated. It's good to see that they're actually updating everything. So let's go ahead and update all these. Okay, so we are updated. I do appreciate that we actually have a physical back button on here because it's not always obvious how to go back on the display. Maintenance. Okay, so these are the services that this scanner can do. So we got an oil reset. Of course, we're going to have to select the vehicle, throttle, EPB, steering, DPF, ABS, BMS injector, and TPMS. So if you're doing DIY work on a modern vehicle, that is going to really come in handy. So let's go ahead and plug this guy into a vehicle. And we'll go to Diagnostics. Let's go to VIN, Auto VIN. And so that did pick up my vehicle right away. I like that we can see the battery voltage right there at the top. And we'll go to Auto Scan. Okay, and we have got a bunch of green. So everything there is good. But you can see it's going through all the different modules on here, which is excellent. Not all scanners have the capacity to do that, especially like an old OBD2 scanner. All it's going to really do is it's going to check for things that would affect emissions. So like misfires, EGR, catalytic converter, that kind of thing. This is actually going to check everything on the vehicle. So you can see right here, got our trailer module. So let's go to our powertrain control and data stream. Okay, cool. So we can actually see information about the hybrid. So this is a hybrid vehicle. The fact that this can actually give us information related to a hybrid is a pretty big plus. So let's just select everything and hit OK. So the battery system voltage, we can see right now it is at 230 volts. We can see the engine coolant temperature sensor is at 44 degrees. So engine fuel rate, right now it's at 0, but that is because we are currently in hybrid mode. If I start the vehicle, and it goes up to 0.88. And then it'll shut off again when I go back to hybrid. So this can give you a lot of information. You can see the scroll right there. I've only gone down about a quarter of the way. So lots and lots and lots and lots of info. So yeah, that is a very cool scanner.